Today, Momo and Maya wanted to play with their toys, but the room was a mess, with toys and snacks everywhere. Cleaning up seemed like a big job, but there had to be a way to make it simpler. Sometimes, handling big tasks can be easier with a plan. Using algorithms, which are a set of step-by-step instructions that can help solve problems more effectively. To start, breaking down the task into smaller steps is the key. Picking the biggest items first and then moving on to the smaller ones helped make the cleaning more easy. Next came sorting. By grouping similar toys in one pile and snacks in another, the room quickly became more organized. Sorting made the rest of the cleaning much faster. Some toys were missing, so a search algorithm was used to save time. By checking each part of the room with a plan, it didn't take long to find the missing toy. Maya was excited to see how algorithms made cleaning up so quick and easy. She was happy to learn that algorithms are everywhere and help us with many tasks. They make sorting, searching, and solving problems easier and more fun. The room was now clean and organized. Using sorting and searching algorithms made the task much easier and faster. Algorithms are everywhere and help us with many tasks. Now Maya knows how useful algorithms can be. Thanks for joining us, and remember to use algorithms to make your tasks easier too.